Hi guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Nykaa haul for you all. Now Nykaa had their pink summer sale and I guess I'll be posting it on Sunday. I really don't know if it's still live, but if it is, then you can go shop now. They're having massive sale, and of course I got a bunch of things. So yes, if you're interested, without further ado, let's get started. Alright you all, this is I guess the first time I made use of a Nykaa sale because I ordered quite a lot of things and I have a black box which is impressive. So we're gonna see this towards the end, but let me just get started. I have a lot of things. Some of these are restocks, so I will let you know my review as well, but some of these I'll be trying for the very first time. We'll just see how that goes. So we have a box full of things. First up, I can see a L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Instant Glowing Serum Mask. This is what the packaging looks like. Now, this one came as a freebie because I ordered something from L'Oreal. So, yeah, this one as a freebie. And I think this is going to work really well. I love the serum and the under eye. I love the face serum and the under eye serum. I got that as well. So, yeah, I love it. And I think I will love it. Next up, I have this Love Beauty and Planet Ka Argan Oil and Lavender Hair Mask. This is what the tub looks like. Now, my cousin recommended this one. She said that this one makes your hair very silky smooth. So I cannot wait to try it because as you all can see, my hair is really suffering. Next up is a restock. It's Dove's Exfoliating Body Polish, Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter. Wale variant mein, it's a body scrub. This is what the tub looks like, you guys. I love it. I saw Malvika talking about this on her stories and I had to get it. So I got it last time and I absolutely loved it. So restocked. I think this one is really good. It smells so delicious, like you feel like eating it, and it also cleanses your body amazingly. So if you're looking for a body scrub, I think you should go with this one. I think Dove ke body products are really good. Okay, next up again is a restock. I think this is my 4th or 5th bottle. It's the Minimalist PHA Face Toner. This is what the packaging looks like. Now you guys, I absolutely love this one. Let me just show you how the bottle looks. This is my current one. It's about to end, as you all can see. So this is what the bottle looks like. I absolutely love it because this is a toner and an exfoliant, so it works amazingly. So this one is super lightweight. I absolutely love it. So the moment I started using it, I haven't looked back. Like, this is the only toner I've been using for say 5-6 months, I guess. And I have combination skin types, so you can see for yourself if you want to try it or not. I think you should definitely give it a try and see if you like it or not. Up is again a recommendation from my cousin, the same cousin. It's a Dermacos 2% Salicylic Acid Clay Face Mask. Now I wanted to try a face mask for a very long time and I got my hands on this one. I was about to get the Dot & Key green wala, I think Sika Calming. I don't remember the name, but yeah, the green face mask I was about to buy, but then she was like, she has tried this and this one works wonders. Like, it's amazing. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. I haven't really opened it. Let's just see what the bottle looks like. Okay, it's a good classic tub and yeah, I cannot wait to try this one, and I will post my review maybe on my story, so you can go follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, so next up is the product I was dying to try. Like, the moment they launched it, I was like, dude, can they please send me a PR or a collaboration because I really want to try it. But it did not happen, so I went ahead and purchased it for myself. This is Dot & Key's Strawberry Tinted Sunscreen for daily wear. It has SPF 50 PA+++++, and I got it in the shade 03 Sand. This is what the packaging looks like. I haven't tried it yet. I think I'm gonna make my review video, like first impression of sorts. You can see the seal is still here. If I will make a video, you will probably see it on my shorts or on my Instagram, so go follow me there. And if not, I will tell you my review in my next video. Again, a restock. It's L'Oreal's Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is what it looks like. I think 3 shades are available in India and I am the darkest one, 317. So yeah, this is my restock. It's my 3rd bottle. I've been using the same concealer for say 2 years almost and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It's super lightweight. I don't know if it's lightweight or not, but I think it works amazingly for me, and it's full coverage concealer. I only use this on my face and I'm good to go. Next up again, I have L'Oreal Glycolic Bright 3% Dark Circle Ice Cream. Now ice cream. eye serum. So I have very prominent dark circles and I really wanted a serum or a product which can help me with it. So I tried this L'Oreal Glycolic one and I think it's doing something. I'm not sure if it's like really reducing or it's just in my head, but I like how it feels on my eyes. The wand is also pretty good. So yeah, it's a restock and this is what it looks like. Let me just show you. Alright, so this is what the bottle looks like. And let me show you the applicator. Super interesting. I love it. It's so soothing. It feels super cool. So yeah, and this is the serum. I told you guys that I love this combo, and this one is also a repurchase. I have already finished one bottle and this is my second one, but I got it pehle only. मतलब नायका की सेल का मैंने इतना वेट नहीं किया था because मेरा over हो गया था. So yeah, that's that. I got a restock. And then we have this lip liner. Now this is my very first lip liner. I've heard a lot of people that using a lip liner really makes a difference. It makes your lipstick stay longer. So yeah, I want to try it. And this one is from Swiss Beauty. It's their bold matte lip liner in the shade Choco Nude 03. So this is what it looks like. I like the shade as well. So I'll swatch it here for you. Yeah, so it's a very beautiful brownish nude shade. I hope you all can see. No, it's not catching. Can you please? Oh, but yeah, you know, like it's good. I like it. Moving on to this beauty right here. I cannot wait to show it to you. So I got my first Huda Beauty palette. This is what it looks like. No, now you will have to focus, baby. So this is what the palette looks like. I absolutely love the packaging and I've heard so much about Huda Beauty ke eyeshadows and I really want to try it. Like, it's been almost 2-3 years that I wanted a Huda Beauty palette and for some reason I did not buy. Like, मैंने और भी बहुत चीजें खरीदी हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है, but for some reason I was not buying this. And this sale वाला I had उसका कौन सा होता है, कोई मेंबरशिप कुछ तो होता है नायका का, मेरे पास वो था एंड इस पे 50% ऑफ था. आई वाज लाइक डूड, let me just go buy it, like for real. It's fine. So yeah, this is what it looks like and this is what the palette looks like, you guys. I love this one so much. It has a bunch of colors. It has all these neutrals and then these purples as well, a lot of shimmers and mattes. I think this is a perfect mix and I wanted something small only because I wanted to take it along with me on the trip, like if I'm traveling or anything of that sort. So yeah, I think this one is super versatile. My sisters helped me pick this one, so yeah, they did well. So yeah, that is it for today's video. That is it for today's haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. All the links will be there in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out and I'll meet you guys in my next video very, very soon. Until then, goodbye.